Hey guys, we are the students of SS Swami International Technical School and we are in the Sun Temple of Dev. And here we will discuss about Sun Temple.
Yeah.
So how are you feeling here?
We are feeling good and
I know the
this is
history
my
of...
second time when I have come in this temple, and I think daily people came and visit in these temples.
Yeah, and I think that now it's a peaceful, it's looking peace because now it's going to be night, and that's why people are not just coming here.
In day it is crowded. It is very big temple.
Yeah, it's very famous also in whole Aurangabad and whole Bihar, we can say here.
Yeah.
And you know history. Some people believe, just believe that this was built by the God. Vishwakarma, you know? Yeah.
But you can see the sculpture of this temple.
Yeah.
It is very nice temple.
Yeah, it's well designed and a lot of statues are just here and you see trees.
There is also one bell.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And our parents said there is, I think, something written here. You can see something.
Yeah, it is it has mentioned about, I think,
Surya Mandir.
construction of
How
this
it is
temple.
constructed.
And our parents said that in one night, in our country India, 3 temples was made in one night by God Vishwakarma. And people believe that one thief has come for stealing that colors. Yes.
On the top of the temple there it is, and here you see.
See, it is a.
This is known as bell.
And here a lot of statues are here. I'm not able to understand.
And I think.
What is it?
And
So-
there is also available camera. You want to see?
So
And there-
we will discuss about it later. So till then,
till
take
then,
care.
take care.
Bye bye. See you soon, guys.